In this video, we're going to show you how to make an easy DIY fertilizer recipe, and we're going to start right now. What's going on YouTube Garden? It's your boy Sidney from the Naked Garden. After watching this video, hopefully you'll learn how to do a simple DIY fertilizer recipe. Now let's get going. Alright, so we're going to mix up our fertilizer. Now normally I would do each one of these jugs, I would put those at half strength or full strength and then put it into our 2-gallon watering can, and then I would fill the rest up with water. That's very time consuming. That's one of the few things I hate about gardening is the watering and fertilizing of our garden. It's very time consuming. So I learned this method from the Urban Best Organic Gardener. I'll put the link to his YouTube channel down below. I found this quite simple and very easy, and it seems like it will speed up the process, so we're going to start on it. What we're going to do is we're going to add our dry ingredients. And we're going to add, normally for a 32-gallon like this, you'll do a mixture of about 2 tablespoons, but we're going to do, I'll do 2 handfuls. Of this blood meal. The blood meal gives you a nice nitrogen fixture to there. Now, I've already added the iron in here last night and let it get all settled and stirred it up so that way it could be dissolved nice and ready. Next we're going to do is 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt. Now the Epsom salt will give it the magnesium and sodium and sulfur. The iron is going to add allow the plants to get green. Epsom salt is going to add the magnesium and sulfur for. Next is what we're going to add is the fish emulsion. This has a high concentration of nitrogen and other phosphorus and potassium in there. For a gallon, you want to do about 2 tablespoons per gallon. We're going to, normally for this type, we'll do 4, but I'm just going to do 2. So we got 1 and 2. You also want to mix this up, shake it up in your can before you pour it in there. Next is we're going to add a liquid molasses in here, and this doesn't have any of the macronutrients, but it does have trace elements for your soil. And when it gives it to your soil, your plants interchange the nutrients that plant has with the soil and kind of converts into there. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of this as well. And I did mix this up, but it looks like it's kind of thick again, so I'm going to mix it up some more. And we're going to add 2 cups of this. And now we have mixed up some of these from our previous ones, so we're just going to add it in there. Now, before we did this method, we used to have just a small container garden. So filling up by these 1 gallon jugs and pouring into this 2 gallon watering can was a lot easier. But as you can see, since we have a larger garden now, it was very time consuming. So this already just saves a lot of time just by going this route. I'm able to cut down our fertilizing of our garden by 75%. So that's a helpful hint for you. Always want to try to find out other ways to help making your garden experience a lot easier and enjoyable. Comment down below to let us know what type of recipe that you use for your water-soluble fertilizer and what ways you're watering and fertilizing your garden as well. Now, normally you can also add either a compost tea or a worm tea and have that steeping overnight if you would like that. Now, if you found this tip and recipe very helpful for you, I'm gonna put a playlist right here for you to follow on and watch other garden tips that we have out for you. Until the next video, let's grow together.